Hello everyone, welcome to the e-learning platform. Children, today we are going to start chapter 7. The name of the chapter is Working with Paint. Children, Microsoft Paint, which is frequently called Paint or MS Paint, is a simple graphics program to draw pictures on the screen and paint them with different colors. To know more about paint, we will discuss many topics. Let's see what topics we are going to discuss in this chapter. First topic which we are going to discuss in this chapter, that is about paint. Next topic is tools used for the drawing. Then after we will discuss about moving and copying an object. Then resize and skew. After that, we will discuss the next topic, that is zooming the pictures, and at last we will see how can we save a drawing. So let's start. First, we will discuss about the topic, that is about paint. Paint is a drawing software used to draw and fill color. The paint program has many tools that helps us to draw and color the pictures. We can use paint for creating, editing and printing pictures. With this program, we can draw different objects like pictures, cartoons, maps, etc. We can also use paint to view and edit scanned pictures. Children, we have different tools in MS Paint which is used for the drawing. Let's discuss about the tools of paint. We can see on this screen there are different tools which we are using for the drawing in MS Paint. So, first we will see about the shape tool. We can work in paint with the help of tools present in the shapes and tools group. The ready-made shapes are available in shapes group on the ribbon. We can see this type of different ready-made shapes are available on the screen. Children, to insert the shapes, we have to follow the steps. Let's see how can we insert shapes in the drawing. First, click on any ready-made shape and press left button of the mouse and drag the mouse on the paint window. Then shapes what we have selected will be displayed on the screen. Some more different types of shapes and tools are there which are very helpful for the drawing. This way we can insert any type of ready-made shapes in our drawing. Now children, we will come to the next topic. Our next topic is color picker tool. Color picker tool is a very useful tool to select a color from an existing object and filling it into any other object. In this also we have to follow the steps, then only we will come to know how color picker tool can be used. So for that, first we have to draw the object. Any object we can draw on the screen, just like we can draw rectangle as we can see in the figure. Then color the rectangle using the fill with color tool. Select the color picker tool. Click inside the rectangle to copy the color. Move the mouse pointer and click inside the circle to fill the same color in it. Once the drawing is made, we can make some changes in it, such as we can copy, delete and move that object. These options are available on the Home tab. This way children, we can use color picker tool. Now come to the next topic. Our next topic is moving and copying an object. Children, moving means to shift any object from one place to another place. In other words, we can say shifting an object from one place to another place is called moving. Next one is copying. Copying means to make a duplicate of any object, or we can say in other words, the copy command is used to make a duplicate copy of an object. To move and copy an object, we will have the steps to follow. First, we will see about the moving an object. To move an object, first draw any picture and save it. Now, select the drawing or any part of the drawing with the help of the Select tool. A rectangle with dashed lines will appear around the picture. Click on Cut option, the clipboard group on the Home tab. We can observe that the selected picture will be removed from the screen. Then after, we will click on the Paste option. Now the object that we have cut will reappear on the top left corner of the drawing area. Now place the mouse pointer on it and drag it to the desired location and release the mouse button. This way we can move any object from one place to another place. Now we will see how can we copy an object. Copy means to make a duplicate of any object. For that also, first we have to draw any drawing on the screen. Then we will select the drawing using Select tool. Then select the Copy command on the Home tab. Click the Paste command in the Clipboard group on the Home tab. A duplicate copy of the object appears on the top left corner of the drawing area. We can move the picture to any location. Children, this way we can copy an object. So these are the steps by using we can move and copy any object. Now children, moving towards the next topic. Our next topic is resize and skew. The size of the picture can be increased or decreased vertically or horizontally. For that also we have to follow the steps. How can we resize and skew the drawing? First, select the drawing by covering its boundary using the Select tool. Then, select the Resize option in the Image group on the Home tab. Then, specify the resize in percentage or pixels and skew in degrees for both horizontal and vertical in the respective boxes according to the requirement, and then we will click on OK. Then after we can see the changes. By following these steps we can resize and skew the drawing. Next topic is zooming the picture. Zooming means to increase or decrease the view size of the object on the screen in any ratio. Children, there are two types of zoom options. First one is zoom in and second one is zoom out. Zoom in option present on the view tab to increase the view size. Then zoom out option is used to decrease the view size on the view tab at ribbon. This way we can see the increased or decreased size of the picture by the use of zoom option. Now come to the next topic. Our next topic is saving a drawing. With the use of this topic, we can come to know how can we save a drawing. Children, it is very important to save the drawing after finishing the work. Once it is saved, we can reuse it anytime. For that, what steps we have to follow? That first we will click on the paint button. Then after we will select save option from the drop down menu. Then save as window will get appeared. Then type the name of the file in the file name box. Click on the save button. The file will be saved. Now click on the close button to close the paint application. This way children, we can save the drawing also. Shortcut key to save a drawing is Ctrl plus S. Now children, this way we have completed the chapter. Now at last we will see about the recap of the chapter. It is already given. Read it very carefully. Learn the things nicely. Hope you are able to understand the chapter. Learn all the topics very nicely. Thank you.